Assalamualaikum dear student. This is Mahbooba Binte Delwar, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics National Ideal Version School. Dear the student of class 3, I would like to welcome all of you. Today we will do subtraction from your elementary maths book page 39 and page 40. From page 39. Here is 594 subtract 230. All of you know that we will start math from your right side, that means your unit position. Here is 4 and here is 0. And in subtraction we will start math from left to right. Here is 4 and here is 0. So 4 minus 0 is equals to, you will write 4. Now the unit tens position here is 9 and the tens position here is 3. So 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. Here is the position of 100. Here is 5 and here is 2. So 5 subtracted 2 is equals to 3. So the answer is 364. And here is the number of 4 digits and here is also 4 digits. We will start math from unit position and from left to right. Here you follow, here is 6 and here is 8. 6 is smaller than 8. So we will carry here 1. So it will make 16. 16 subtracted 8 is equals to 8. And this one, here we will count 1. This one goes to here and add with 7. And here is 3 and if we add 1 to 7, it will be 8. Here is 3 and here is 8. So 3 is less than 8. So we will again count here 1. It will make 13. 13 subtracted 8 is equals to 5. So write here 5. Now this one again go to this, add with this 9. Then it convert to 10. Here is 0. So 0 minus 10 is impossible. So we will count here again 1. Then it will make 10. Then 10 subtracted 10 is equals to 0. Now this one again add with 1. Then it makes 2. 3 subtracted 2 is equals to 1. Now question number 5. Here is 1 and here is 8. So we will count here another 1, then it will make 11. Then 11 subtracted 8 is equals to 3. This one goes to here and add with 5. It will make 6 and here is 0, here is 6. 0 is less than 6. So we will count here again another 1. Then 10, it makes 10. 10 subtracted 6 is equals to 4. Then this one came here. Here is nothing, 0. So 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. 6 subtracted 1 is equals to 5. Now question number 7. Here is 3 and here is 8. So 3 is less than 8. That's why we will count here another 1 and it makes to 13. 13 subtracted 8 is equals to 5. This one came here and add with 4. It will be 4. Here is 0 and here is 4. So we will again count here 1 and it makes 10. 10 subtracted 4 is equals to 6. This one again came here. It will make 8 and we will count here 1. It makes 10. 10 subtracted 8 is equals to 2. Now again this one came here, it will make 2. 9 subtracted 2 is equals to 7. So the answer will be 7000 265. Now see, here is the question is find out the value of this box. For that we will write here or first, because in one line we can write equal sign twice at a time. So we will write here or. Now write here this box, give this equal sign here, and I will take the rest of the number other side. That means we will write this 26 this right side, and always remember that if you take it to other side, the sign will be changed. That means here is addition sign. When we will convert it to right side, then the sign will be changed, and that one is, and that change sign will be minus sign. And here write 34 first, then this addition sign change to minus sign and write this 26. Again write here or, draw here the box, and here is subtraction. 14 subtracted 6 is equals to 8, and here is 1, this one goes to here, it will make 3. 3 subtracted 3 is equals to 0. So the answer will be 8. Now question number 2. Here we will write first or, then we will convert this box to right side and this 40 to left side, because here is a minus sign. When I converted this box to right side, that time this minus convert to plus, and that one is easy for us. So write here plus 65 here, then this 4 comes here, and here is the sign is plus. So when I converted it to left side, the plus sign converted to minus sign, and here we 40. Write this equal sign, and this minus convert to, when convert to right side, that time it's convert to plus sign, and the box is here. Here is or. 5 subtracted 0 is equals to 5, and 6 subtracted 4 is equals to 6 subtract 4 is equals to 2. Write here the box. Again you can write this line by this way. Here is a box and here is equals to 25. Now the last one, write here or. This box is here, equal sign. First write this 54. So 32 goes this right side, and this minus convert to plus. Here is 32 or 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, and 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So the answer is 86. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon with another topic inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.